Today's recipe is all about vegetable masala, and it's going to be a good one because the recipe is budget friendly, it's easy to make and very delicious. You're going to need lots of vegetable. I know you have some vegetables that you are storing in the fridge, so pick up those vegetables because the recipe is very much customizable. For my recipe, I'll be using some broccoli, carrots, some zucchini, onions, tomatoes, eggplant, and some spring onions, which are going to add a lot of flavor, not forgetting garlic and ginger. For this recipe, you'll also need some plain yogurt, which is going to add in a lot of creaminess to our masala. So over high flame, I'm going to place a non-stick pan, add in some cooking oil, around a tablespoon of cooking oil. Next, I'm going to be adding in 2 medium diced onions and saute until the onions have a very nice golden brown color. When your onions are starting to have a very nice golden brown color, just like this, you're going to add in some crushed garlic and ginger, which is going to add in a lot of flavor to our vegetable masala. Saute for around 30 seconds until the garlic is very fragrant. When your garlic and ginger is cooked, you're going to add in your spices, which are also going to be adding in lots of flavor to our vegetable masala. So over here, I have some paprika and garlic powder, garam masala, turmeric, cumin seeds, that is a teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt. Toss the spices for around 30 seconds. This is going to make the spices very fragrant. Also keep watch over your pan because you don't want the spices to burn. After 30 seconds, you're going to add in your carrots, tomatoes, which are blended. Stir in the carrots and the tomatoes. Next, add in tomato paste. And the tomato paste is going to add in a lot of tomato flavor to the vegetable masala. Also, I started by cooking my carrots because they take a while to cook. So I'm going to give this around 2 minutes so that everything can cook down. And after 2 minutes, my tomatoes are ready. You can see they're very thick and the carrots have softened up a little bit. So I'm going to be adding in my zucchini, broccoli, a bit of spring onions, chop up my eggplant. So I'm going to chop both sides and cut in half and into a wedge, and then I'm going to cut into bite-sized pieces. Add in the pan as well. Toss all the ingredients together. Add in 1 cup water and just look at the sauce. It's looking very delicious. So to fully season my vegetable masala, I'm going to be adding in more salt, and half a teaspoon of sugar to neutralize the acidity of the tomatoes. Stir in everything and wow, just look at the colors. They're looking so good. I'm going to give my vegetables around 3 to 5 minutes over medium flame so that they can soften up. After around 5 minutes, the vegetable masala is going to be looking very saucy and thick. So now it's time to add in your yogurt. So I'm going to stir in my vegetable masala. The veggies have softened up and they're looking very tasty. So I'm going to add in 3 heaping tablespoons of plain yogurt. Don't use any flavored yogurt. Just go for the plain one, and then I'm going to stir. Just look how creamy the vegetable masala is looking like. After adding in your yogurt, you're going to reduce the flames to low so that the yogurt doesn't burn, and then you're going to simmer this for around 2 to 3 minutes so that the yogurt can cook and soak into the vegetables. Always check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in more salt. Yes. After 2 minutes, you're going to check on your vegetable masala, and mine is looking so awesome. The eggplant and zucchini are cooked through. The broccoli is perfect and the carrots are soft. That means that my vegetable masala is ready. So I'm going to check the seasoning one last time. Wow. I love the flavors and how creamy the vegetable masala is looking. So please don't overcook your vegetables. Once everything has softened up, you're going to put out the flames, and I'm going to be garnishing with some extra green onions. Nice. So my vegetable masala is just perfect to serve over some rice or some chapati. And trust me, it's totally going to be worth it because the flavor is just 100%. The veggies are softened up and everything is perfect. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy, budget-friendly recipe.